Welcome to EnglishNova channel.
Water. A glass of water. A bottle of water. Milk. A glass of milk. A cartoon of milk. Rice. A bowl of rice. A kilo of rice. Bread. A slice of bread. A loaf of bread. Cheese. A piece of cheese. A slice of cheese. Coffee. A cup of coffee. A mug of coffee. Tea. A cup of tea. A glass of tea. Butter. A bit of butter. A piece of butter. Sugar. A spoon of sugar. A bag of sugar. Juice. A bottle of juice. A glass of juice. Salt. A pinch of salt. A spoon of salt. Flour. A bag of flour. A bowl of flour. Honey. A jar of honey. A spoon of honey. Jar. A jar of jam. A spoon of jam. Oil. A bottle of oil. A jar of oil. Soup. A bowl of soup. Pasta. A plate of pasta. Cereal. A bowl of cereal. Chocolate. A piece of chocolate. Ice cream. A scoop of ice cream. Meat. A piece of meat. Chicken. A piece of chicken. Fish. A piece of fish. Beef. A slice of beef. Fruit. A bowl of fruit. Soda. A can of soda. Soap. A bar of soap. Shampoo. A bottle of shampoo. Toothpaste. A tube of toothpaste. Paper. A sheet of paper. Furniture. A piece of furniture. Clothing. An item of clothing. Luggage. A piece of luggage. Money. A lot of money. Homework. A bit of homework. Trash. A bag of trash. Gold. A bar of gold. Card. A deck of cards. Flowers. A bunch of flowers. Earrings. A pair of earrings. Tuna. A can of tuna. Balloon. A bunch of balloon. Chips. A bag of chips. Ice. A cube of ice. Biscuits. A packet of biscuits. Grapes. A bunch of grapes.